Hey everyone, how are you? I hope you are well. Now we learn how to protect cells in Google Sheets without protecting sheet. So let's get started. At first you have to open your sheets. Now we can see here many data. Now I want to protect the data table but not the full sheet. Now I am select this data table. Otherwise you can edit protect any cells, then we select your choosing cells. Now I am select this cells, click and drag on our mouse, then go to the data option and select this protect sheets and ranges option. Now we can see here the range of the sheet. Now I am select the range and we can see we selected this range here showing. Now I click this set permission option and we can see here many suggestion, like you make the protection show a warning when editing this range, otherwise restrict who can edit this range. Now I'm click this restrict who can edit this. Now I choose this only you option, then click done and we can see here the changed saved. Now I test the cell share with other. Go to the file menu, click the share option and choose the share with others option and make the shareable link editor and copy the link, make done. Now we go to another profile and paste the link and access the sheet. Now I check the text is editing. Now I click on our keyboard and here show the pop-up. There was a problem, you are typing to edit a protect cells or object, please contact the spreadsheet owner to remove protection if you need to edit. Now I see this sheet are not editable because this is protected sheet, but you can edit these sheets because sheet is not a protected sheet. Now I'm write something, go back our main sheet and we can see here show the changes. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to find the next video easily. Thanks for watching.